Okay, gang, it's Professor Mbach, and I want to tell you a bit about this film that you're going to be seeing, Blackrobe. Historians, and particularly Native American historians, love this film. It is perhaps one of the most authentic Native American films that have ever been produced. The languages are accurate, they have mostly a Native American cast, it's grounded in historical sources, and historians have only been able to find one or two very minor flaws in the film. And so it's a great film for our purposes, particularly since it's grounded in anthropology. So here's what's going on in the film. See where it says start of film here in the map? This is in what is now the city of Quebec. Um, and the film opens with Jesuit missionaries who have not heard a word from a mission here. And by mission, we mean an outpost of the Jesuit order. And so the Jesuits are going to take a small troop by canoe down what is now the St. Lawrence River to try to get to the mission that they've heard no word from. The problem is to get through that territory from Quebec to here, to where the Huron mission is, they have to pass through a region where the tribal groups are aligned not with the French, but with the British. And therefore, the lands that they're passing through are, in essence, enemy territory. So the tribe that we start with are the Montagnais. They're trying to get to the Huron mission, and they're going to pass through the Five Allies. And you probably have heard these names as New Yorkers because the Finger Lakes have been named after those five tribes. And so that explains what happens to them on the journey because they're passing through, again, what is enemy territory for them.